Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn one of the hidden feature called by shaking your phone, you can just turn on your flashlight. Just turning on your flashlight by shaking your phone. This is one of the hidden feature. Okay, you may be unaware of this feature even though you have your phone in your hand. So let's learn how to do it. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to shortcuts and accessibility. And here just go to smart motion and you will find shake to turn on the flashlight. Just turn on this button so that you can just shake your phone when you are on home screen or on lock screen, but your phone screen is not turned off. Okay, by shaking your phone like this, you can just turn on flashlight. See, so to turn it off again, press once if screen is off. If screen is not off at the time, you can press 2 times this side key to turn off flashlight. See, once more, turned on and turn off. When I press this button, it will turn off first screen. Then again, if you press, it will turn off the flashlight. Also on the home screen, we will check. Okay, see, this is home screen, and just by shaking the phone, you can just turn on flashlight. This is one of the hidden feature most people don't unaware of it. If you don't know this feature, just use this feature and you can easily enable flashlight when you are going with your phone in dark place or low light. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.